I'd like to introduce you to the latest telescope in our lineup. This is the 12.5-inch f5 reflector. We decided to go to 12.5 inches. We had quite a few people that wanted a smaller telescope, something that was more portable, that would fit in any car, something that they could easily handle. And so we decided to go to the 12.5. It's been pretty well received. It's got exactly the same construction as all our other scopes. Same truss pole system, the woodwork, all of the components are exactly the same as our 15 through 30-inch scopes. We even set these up so that they'll balance all of the Televue eyepieces. This is a 31 millimeter Nagler, which is the heaviest eyepiece that I know of, and the telescope balances that without any trouble at all, including a Telrad. The primary mirror is a Taurus. Again, it's an f5, all enhanced coatings. We have it on a 9-point mirror cell, which is actually overkill because the primary mirror is full thickness. We could have easily got by, I imagine, with a 3-point cell, but we decided to over-engineer everything and make sure there wasn't any flexure in the optics at all. So it's a 9-point stainless steel cell. No tools setup, no tools collimation. We use the same push-pull, spring-activated secondary and primary adjustments as well as we do on all the other scopes. The telescope is fully compatible with the Argo Navis digital setting circles, as well as the Servocat Go2 drive or an equatorial platform. It'll work well with either one of those systems. And it's kind of fun. You don't need a ladder. I'm 6 foot tall, and the eyepiece is below my eyes. Many people can actually do sit-down astronomy while they observe. You get one of those adjustable musician's stools, and you can sit down and do a lot of observing off your feet. And that was another reason that a lot of people wanted a smaller scope. They really didn't want to ever get on a ladder. So the 15 and the 12-inch telescopes are both go after the people that really don't want to get on a ladder. The scope does not include wheelbarrow handles. We felt it's not necessary. It's pretty easy to pick it up. You can pick up the mirror box without any trouble at all. Put it in the back of your car or the trunk, the back seat. And wheelbarrow handles have been kind of redundant and in the way, but if you got to have them, we can do them. Another thing I wanted to show you is the spider. This is a curved spider. The rationale behind a curved spider is there's no diffraction spikes on the stars. They're truly pinpoint. The images are exquisite, especially on the planets, as the contrast is so much better. By using a curved spider, you eliminate the diffraction is still there, but it's smooshed out over the entire field of view. And we may go to a curved spider on the larger scopes too if we can engineer it, because it really makes the images pretty nice. I was out looking at the Orion Nebula the other night, and the trapezium, the 6 stars in the trapezium are really crisp. That's another reason I'm filming this in the house today, is because it's about 10 below wind chill in the outdoors where I live. It's a fun scope. I've taken one of these to a star party, and people like it. They like to walk right up to it and just start using it. Very easy for beginners, kids, school kids. They catch on real quick. It has the same ease of motion as all the other Obsessions. We've actually improved it even a little bit. We changed some of the laminates, so it's extremely smooth, and there's virtually no drift. So that's our 12.5 inch.